fellow scratchers. Today, in our pen bouncer products, we have some bugs. Yes, we have lots of bugs in here that we need to get fixing before we can move on to have some cool options. Start by saving as a copy. Now, name this Pen Bouncer episode 2.5. Okay, let's start. So, are you ready? Get your pens and let's get squashing. Let's see what negative numbers do. Okay. And look. Instead of changing it smaller, it actually increases its size. Do we want that? No, we do not want that. Create a new variable. Speed gain. And press for this sprite only. Now you can hide this speed gain. Okay, so if you are working for your gain one, here's what we do. So change color. So change speed V gain by speed gain. And then instead of putting move speed V, press this. Now let's see if this actually gets smaller. Ten. Oh, look guys, it's actually working. Yeah. And then if we change it up to 10, boom, now it is increasing by 10. Good work. Let's try by how much pen we go by. Set it to 25. So see that one? If we change it to 1 and watch it go, do you think the negative one will work? Change by -5. Huh? What's happening? And looks like something is wrong. Change pen size by pen gain. Change on the slider length. Change it from -5 to -50. Press play. Speed go up. and something is not working. Something is not working. I feel like Scratch is doing some cheeky thing. So, what can we do about this? Sadly to say, there is nothing I can do. We have to wait till next episode. But now, if the color gain works correctly, okay. So, have you seen something that our change pen color by color gain seems a little bit similar to our speed regain? In fact, let's change our speed regain to, oh, nope, not that one. Speed V2. Real. Speed real gain. Okay, now if you have a stay product, here is something that I really, really did not check on. So in the start, instead of move speed gain, we need to put in move speed stay. And then instead of the changing, we have to do some setting. So change our pen size. Instead of that, we have to do set pen size to speed gain. Get out of here, speed. Get out of here, speed gain. Pen gain. No, pen stay. Slide that in there. One, change pen size by, nope. Sorry, we don't need you, and we don't need you. Set pen color. Okay, I was just having a think of what to do. Set pen color. 2. Let's try something different together. Set pen color to color stay. Huh? Something weird is happening. See that our gain sprite is not moving. Oh, I think I know what happened. Set speed real gain to 1. Oh, and yeah, both are moving. But wait a minute. Why is there a ghost line? Before we move our player, we put an erase. What? Oh. Change. What is going on with our variable sliders? Hello, variable sliders? Oh, I think it's somewhere here. Change pen gain by 1. Let's try that. What in the world is going on? I do not. I Okay, I think I know. Change by. So let's try that now. Try this. And okay, I think we're going to need some very if statements. If our variable color, if our variable color speed gain, I'm gonna go and build the scripts, and then I'll tell you when I'm finished. And I'm back, and looks like it is working perfect. So now the changing is all work. Wait a minute. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you some time to pause the video if you need, and now I'll go and explain it. So if the speed gain variable is bigger than 0, we're going to positively change it by speed gain. But if the speed gain is smaller than 0, which means it's a negative number, it will be changed by negative. Do you get that? I don't really. Okay, click back into this day. Now, I just realised that I don't think this colour block is working. Set pen size, set pen colour to colour stay. Okay, press play. I don't think why is nothing working? Oh yeah, I think put these variables here in front. Yeah, and look at that. We have rainbow colours. We can now pick what colour we want. But I feel like, since we have gotten so good, since we have done so good in our Scratch adventure, I guess we deserve something way cool. Let's make a rainbow button. Start by adding a new sprite. Now make it like a circle, any size you want, and write the text rainbow. Now make sure it's small enough to fit in the circle. Look, why does this have to be so hard? Now find a position that you like. How about here? Go to 0, 0. Okay? When this sprite clicked, we're gonna do some conditioning. So if our costume number is equal to 1, go to the costumes tab and duplicate it. To help tell us what's the difference, maybe I'm going to make it a different colour. Yeah, red's going to be perfect. And for more convenience, I'm going to change the on circle. Now, usually, on the beginning, when you start up, it's going to be off. So, make sure your first one looks like this. And then your second one can look something like this. And then instead of off, it is on. I may want to make the green a little bit nicer. Yeah. Now, make a new variable, rainbow effect. Okay, make sure it's for all sprites. Going to set hide a rainbow variable. So if it is equal 1, we're going to switch rainbow to 1, which is basically on in computer code. Amazing, right? And if it's not, we're going to switch it on. I'm going to leave the variable to show for you. It won't work. So if it is, we're going to switch to costume 1. And if it isn't, we're going to switch to if it is, we're going to switch to costume 2, and if it isn't, we're going to switch to costume 1 again. Look at that! Now it is working. Great! Hide the rainbow variable. Now, you can do this if you want to, but you can do it however you want. You can have a rainbow variable, or you don't need to. Set rainbow to equal. If rainbow equals 1, then change color, pen color, not size, but change. Where is it? Change pen color by 1. Okay. Duplicate that. I'm going to duplicate it, put it in there. Now, if you have this stay sprite, things are going to be a little bit different. Now, put it in there, and now, press the green flag. And see how only one of them is rainbows. We see that for some reason that the game sprite is not working. So our rainbow effect is not working for the other one. If you're like me and who does not know what in the world in Scratch is going on, I'm going to help you break it down. Here's what's happening. We are changing color, but we also have these set blocks. So let's put an if then. If rainbow equals 1. Then we're going to change it, but if it isn't, we're going to do all of our settings. Put it in a forever loop, then underneath put the remove, and let's have a look at our rainbow bounce things. Just make sure not to end if we accidentally change one of our sliders. Boom! It's actually still staying. Sorry. You may want to close your eyes. You may want to turn off rainbow mode. Stop the project. Yes. Do you know what we're going to do? We're going to add a weight 0.1. And also put another 0.1 here. Wait, no. Okay. Now, okay. Let's now break this script here. Make a new my variable. If touching edge. Okay? Don't run without screen refresh. And then put it on the bottom. Same if you're doing the stay. Touching edge. Touching. Oh, no. Oopsie. Oops. What did I just do? Touching edge. Okay? Okay? Then put touching edge here. Then press the flag and look at that. Now whenever it bounces, we wait a second. So then those crazy things don't happen. But do we want it to make slower if you want to bounce it? Well, scratches, that's enough time for today. This bug fixing episode has gone way too far. So, bye-bye, fellow scratchers. Bye.